Ladies and gentlemen, the Kumbatan is one of the renowned styles of Kali Filipino, or as called in its homeland, modern Arnis. It has been officially recognized by the Philippine government as a national cultural heritage and entered as a subject in major university in Manila.
Il Kombatan è uno tra i più rinomati stili di Kali filippino, o come viene chiamato in patria, di Modern Arnis. È stato riconosciuto ufficialmente dal governo filippino come patrimonio culturale nazionale ed è entrato come materia di studio nelle maggiori università di Manila.
To show us the national martial arts of the Philippines, the martial discipline born in the Philippine island in ancient times, please welcome the Arnis Kumbatan. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, the Arnis Kumbatan. Sudalis was founded in 2004 and registered in 2006 with 9 Filipinos and 2 Italians, namely Domingo Borja, Evelyn Revilla, Brick Brihuega, Leonida Abella, Delphine Quiton, Ramon Borbe, Beatriz Corpus, Amparo de los Reyes, Elvira Melchor, and the 2 Italians were Giorgio Casadio and Roberto Portinari. Sudalis was created with the following visions: to work towards the recognition of the Filipino community, of the Italians and the Italian institutions as a worldwide, well-integrated component of the Italian society, to reach out to different associations that share common objectives for the amelioration of the Filipino community and interact with them in well-selected projects. To maintain close relationship with the Philippine Consulate General as each partner in identified projects. With about 1,000 members, Sudalis serves as a prime mover in the promotion of Filipino social, cultural, and religious activities. To know more about them, let's all enjoy this video. Ladies and gentlemen, Sudalis. May I request our beloved guests just please all stand for the national anthem to be led by the Pinoy Teen Sananahi of Rome, Italy.
Si prega di rimanere in piedi per l'inno nazionale italiano.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Pinoy Teen Salin Lahi of Rome. May I request all our beloved guests, just please be seated. And of course, let us allow our videographer and photographer do their works. Sila lang po dapat ang nakatayo. Maraming salamat. So in the meantime, of course, I would like to request our beloved guests just please be seated so that our official videographer and photographer can do their works. And for our Dixology, we have on stage some of the selected talents of Milan. So once again on stage, the selected talents of Milan for our Dixology. Ladies and gentlemen, the selected Milan talents. And of course, this event won't be completed without our set of master of ceremonies. Let's all welcome one of the brilliant hosts of Milan, Ms. Rysel Lopez Estanislao.
So good afternoon to everyone. Buon pomeriggio a tutti. Welcome to OFW Awards 2016. Of course, I would like to call on our next set of hosts. Let us start with, it is my distinct honor to call on stage, all the way from Rome, the Secretary General of Federfil Italy and President of Philippines Independence Day Association, or PIDA, from Rome. Please put your hands together for Mr. Augie Castillo Cruz.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, our guests from all over Italy, and thank you, Ms. Rysel. And of course, welcome to our once-in-a-year celebration of OFW Awards. This is our second edition, and welcome. And of course, I would like to present to you another host for tonight. She is very famous in Rome, of course. She is the president of ENFID, the European Network of Filipino Diaspora, and the current editor-in-chief of the famous Ako'y Pilipino tabloid in Rome and all over Italy, none other than Miss Pia Gonzalez Abucay.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. And Kuya Augie, thank you for that wonderful introduction. Nakakapanliit. Anyway, welcome po sa ating lahat. Ito po ay araw ng mga Pilipino sa Italia. Ito ay araw nating lahat. Anyway, I would like to call another prominent host of Milan. May I call on stage none other than Mr. Rolly Montoya.
Oh, good afternoon, everyone. A prominent host, that was a big word and makes me smaller in this big stage. Anyway, thank you, Miss Pia, for that generous introduction. Maraming salamat po sa aking mga co-host na nandito. And of course, sa inyong lahat po, maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat po. Grazie mille a tutti per essere qui con noi per questo importantissimo giorno.
But for the meantime, we're going to step down and let our Mr. Rolly and Rysel to handle the program. And we're right back after this part 1 of the occasion. Thank you very much.
Ci vediamo dopo. Io e qui oggi torneremo più tardi. Buon divertimento a tutti.
Alright, Mr. Augie and Pia, we are wholeheartedly accepted that challenge. Maraming salamat. Of course, hindi lang yan. Marami pa kayong pagkasamahan namin kasama ang dalawang gwapo at magandang host na ito. Right, Rysel?
Yes, that's right. In fact, it's really an honor for us to be hosting this important event with you. So thank you so much for coming.
Okay, without taking much of your time, guys, this is a great day for recognizing certain individuals of our kababayans who have excelled on their fields. So some of you might still be wondering what this OFW award is all about. To know more about this concept, please watch this.
Wala sa pagkadapa, ako'y pagbangon.
natunghayan ang history ng Featherfield. Actually, Kuya Rolly, I just want to emphasize this. Nabasa ko kanilang claim, yung One Voice, One Nation.
One voice, one nation. Tama ka dyan, Rhino. Kung nakita mo, nagkaroon rin tayo ng mock election na pinakita sa kanilang video play.
I stand corrected, Kuya. One Voice, One Action. I'm sorry.
One voice and one action. Kaya nga kanina nakita ko may mock election na nangyari.
Yes.
They are also caring the environment and perhaps reaching out the poorest of the poor sa Pilipinas. What else I can say, right?
In fact, these were just only a few clips of what they've been doing for the Filipino community. So, isa pong masigabong palakpakan po para sa ating Featherfield. Maraming salamat.
Exactly right. Beautiful people with beautiful heart.
So, okay. So, to welcome us all, to formally welcome us all, may we call on stage the president of Sodalis and Friends, none other than Miss Evelyn Revilla. Diamo il benvenuti signore e signori al presidente di Sodalis and Friends, la signora Evelyn Revilla.
Ano ba masasabi natin? Maganda na, maganda pa ang puso, Rani.
Kasi kung ang Miss Universe may confident and beautiful with a heart, meron tayong sariling
Welcome, Miss Evelyn.
welcome po.
Kamusta kayo lahat dyan? I cannot see you guys. Where are you? But anyway, magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Buongiorno. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Milan. In behalf of Sodalis and friends, I am extremely honored to have the chance to address you today during this prestigious occasion when Featherfield, Italy celebrates the award and recognition day for outstanding Filipino workers and organizations. Many of you have made a huge effort to join us. On behalf of us all, we are deeply appreciative and offer you our most grateful welcome. Sodalis and Friends is highly honored together with our partner organizations to be a part of this unique undertaking to honor and recognize our many kababayans who have made a name for themselves and in the process uplift the image of the Filipino community in Italy. Today is a precious moment for us because aside from today's events also showcases the talents of the young buds of the Filipino community and the award-giving ceremony to the outstanding Filipinos and Italians working in the Filipino community in various spheres. The duty which is conferred upon me here is to welcome everyone. Benvenuti a tutti. Scusate per la confusione prima, però purtroppo questo fa parte dell'organizzazione. E poi, quando non ci sono goulot, non ci sono i filippini. Our guest of honor for today is such an outstanding persons who do not need a formal introduction at all. I consider this not only my privilege, but the honor for our entire Filipino community to welcome Consul General Marichu Mauro. I think she's not in right now. Honorary Consul of Tuscany, Dr. Fabio Fanfani. Honorary Consul of Piemonte, Avvocato Maria Grazia Cavallo. Non la vedo. Our Welfare Officer, Miss Jocelyn Halal. She's here. And then, of course, our Don Virgil Murillo of Bergamo, who will be coming over late in the afternoon because they have other appointments. And, of course, we are deeply honored to welcome you. Federfil Italy Honorable Chairman of the Board, Ariel Assis La Chica. Where are you, my friend? Ah, you're there. Okay. He is the lifeblood of the search of the outstanding Filipino workers and organizations. After so much phone calls and chats and discussions, Neo basta. I welcome you in my humble words to this prestigious program. Of course, I am glad to see and to have here my friend, Miss Marilami and company. We do projects together, and I really appreciate your presence now. The presence of Giorgio Casadillo, our Italian VP of Sodales Association, officers, community, leaders, performers, nominees, awardees, guests, and sponsors, and my family, of course. They're from Milan, Bergamo, Rome, Piemonte, Liguria, and Catania. A big welcome to everyone. I hope wala akong na-miss. Did I call everyone? I, of course, my VP, Brig Broega, and my partner in crime, Engineer Borja. I don't know where he is right now. Lastly but not the least, from the bottom of my heart, the backbone of Sodales and Friends, the team and committees who work and all brought together for one cause, a successful event. To my dearest colleagues, friends, partners, and to my dear family, please accept my warmest welcome to the feast. Again, kinakabahan na ako. I pleasure to welcome all who have constantly extended their love and support to all the high prospects of the Filipino community and to each one of its associations and members. Thank you. And mabuhay ang Pinoy sa Italia.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, Miss Evelyn Revilla.
Just to explain shortly in italiano ciò che la nostra presidentessa ha detto, siamo qui per dare onore a tutti i nostri amici, parenti, famiglie, tutti comunque i filippini che sono qui in Italia e elevare l'immagine nostra, non solo in Italia ma in tutto il mondo, dando ovviamente riconoscimento a ciò che abbiamo fatto fuori dal nostro paese.
Exactly right.
Spero di averlo detto correttamente, però più o meno il senso era quello.
Mukhang maganda yung sinabi niya, pero agree na lang ako sa sinabi niya. One thing that captured me on her speech is that uplift the image of the Filipinos. Nobody can uplift the image of the Filipino kundi tayong mga Pilipino and showcase the talents of the Filipino here in Italy.
Exactly. Okay.
And of course, sabi kanina, kapag ka may saya, merong Pilipino. That is the new slogan right now.
Exactly.
Okay, to elaborate on more about this, please welcome on stage the chairman of the board of Federfil Italy, Mr. Ariel La Chica. On stage, please, may we call on Mr. Ariel La Chica. There you have it. Guys, palakpakan na naman natin si Mr. La Chica.
Yun po ang iniintay, yung music. The war is over. You know, December is very warm palamig na po, kaya we feeling like Christmas now. Thank you, Ate Beng, the President of Sodales. Thank you for that beautiful and inspiring message. I had 10 pages of speech I have been preparing, but maybe we'll now sleep until 5 o'clock here. Anyway, wala po akong masasabi because, you know, we expected Ate Beng of 200 people today. But we're very happy today dahil napuno po ang sala ng John Yowie Restaurante. Palakpakan po natin ating mga sarili. And before I start my message, yung po kaninang mga konting problema natin, may dispiace po na tutok po sunades. Okay, distinguished guest, Consul General Marichu Mauro of Philippine General Consulate, the Philippine Embassy, and staff, and we have also our welfare officers, Madam Jocelyn Hapal, that's correct ma'am, Hapal, Italian government, ufficiale in privato settore, ospiti, nostri due onorari consul, grazie Avvocatessa Maria Grazia Cavallo Piemonte, è arrivata, e anche onorare consul Dr. Fanfani of Toscana, grazie per essere con noi. To all Filipino community leaders and to all OFW awardees, we've been saying nominees or finalists, but today you are all awardees. This year, 2016, Italy. Welcome and good day to everyone. I have been drafting my message since last week. I've been awake early in the morning and I remember something. And everything that I remembered, I jotted down. What I suppose to say today. There are a lot of things that I want to say, but Federal Bill has one slogan and one word. You have read, Abiti Sentito, one word, one action. One word, one action. I had already my miss, but when I saw your face today, something has to change to my message. And you know what it is? When I saw all your faces from the early start in the morning, naturally, I can say of mixed emotions present in this sala. You're anxious, maybe because you have to ask questions for yourself. Am I one of those selected awardees for today, or just only a finalist? Well, all enthusiasm and excitement, every one of us will feel. Ho visto tanto, ma non ha mai capitato oggi. Ma non certo questo evento per noi tutti i lavoratori filippini nel mondo, che prima di tutto ricordiamo che questo evento è già stato rinviato da settembre, anche già un anno che abbiamo preparato. E adesso, lo sai perché? Ho voluto spostato, ma prima di tutto, non da noi, ma il destino. Il destino, perché oggi voi ricevete il primo premio di Natale. Siete voi che ricevete il primo di Natale. Li awardees, voi. Adesso condivide la gioia, dare altri regalo più importanti che ricevere questo anno. Il miglior lavoratore filippini in Italia. Vabbè, dicano che mi sembra una cazzata, è semplice. Ma quello che non sapete la persona che ha preparato e anche a voi presentare del vostro curriculum Kayo po ang nagbigay sa amin ng mga curriculum ninyo. Ng mga, those who have submitted your criteria. We had 25 sleepless nights of preparing and selecting you as an awardees. With the partner of our video director, Mr. Dindo Damo, and the sleepless night of our Secretary General, Mr. Ogie Cruz. Last minute of the day, nagpiprint pa rin kami ng inyong targa at inyong program. Of course, without this, Sodales, hindi po kami nagkamali as a partner. Because when Ate Marie introduced us, the power of Ate Beng Revilla transmitted onto me. Thank you. Pinahiram mo sa akin yung power mo. Thank you, Bergamo. Thank you, Milano. Huwag niyo akong awatin magsalita because I will not talk anymore after this. Dove sono io? Ok. Adesso il tempo passato, ma secondo questo malincuore è già passato. Va bene così. Dai, ormai io sono qui, godiamo questa vita, andiamo a affrontare il nostro destino. Ringraziamo questo momento di dedicarla, di dare onore e pensiero a tutti noi lavoratori filippini, ma prima di tutto vorrei chiamare tutti che hanno lavorato sodo, collaborato con noi. Yung pong nakita niyong video kanina, it's not enough for me. I would like to call all those people who have worked for me. Grazie prima di tutto a tutti che hanno dato la possibilità, che ha usato l'istrumento per condividere questa gioia. Tutta la mia collega, già lo scorso anno, che ha pianificato questo evento. Of course, comincio da Federal Police Secretary General, Mr. Ogie Castillo Cruz. Can you stand, please? Our MC. Lui ha dormito poco per fare template di targa e attestato di riconoscimento di tutti i giorni. Abbiamo anche il nostro tesoriere, signora Lina Santos. Where are you? Please stand up. Lui che ha voluto vendere i biglietti di lotteria per la novena sua spesa. Grazie anche alla signora Tessie Pantaleon, il nostro finanziere. Stand up, please. Anche il suo marito stai qua con Mr. Ronnie. And your staff, Ami and Gloria Madriaga. Lui che controlla la mia budget sempre. La revisore del Conte, Nori Argana, please. Questo è appena tornato dai Filippini. Gupita Olivares Garcia. E il consigliere direttore Toto Rino Blas. Questo si occupa adesso del nostro materiale per audiovisivo. Consigliere aggiunto Jeremias Benjamin, responsabile per social media. E lui a quest'anno siamo ufficialmente corrispondenti di DCRH, Radio Internet, TV News, Media para Manila. E altro consigliere aggiunto Mr. Eprintila di sicurezza, please stand up. Where are you, Mr. Eprintila? Efren Estrella, di Senior Anciani, Senior Citizens Council. Prima di dimenticare altro consigliere aggiunti per affari legali, Mr. Jimmy Nino Franco. Consigliere aggiunti, Signor Rodolfo Santos. Grazie. El consiglio onorario che si preoccupa a salvaguardare l'organizzazione che va unica direzione consigli finanziari e altro finanziamento. La signora Maria Gumabon Lami, il signor Stefano Lami. Lui ha grande contributo della federazione. Of course, ho detto prima, il film director, Mr. Dindo Damo. Please come forward. Ito po, siya ang hindi nakatulog sa paggawa ng inyong audiovisual presentation. That's why, yung 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes yung mga video, nakat ko lang yun ng mga 1 minute. But if you want to part of the production of Pedro Pil, you ask him to order the CD and our souvenir program later to our secretary, our treasurer. Adesso, al Sud Italia, abbiamo direttore generale Pedro Pil, signora Lenny Vallejo, Catania, e il suo marito. Dove sta? Lenny.
Nagumigit na sila.
Grazie.
Kasi nakikita dun sa...
Da Reggio Calabria, che non potuto venire perché ha avuto un incidente, la moglie.
Pantay na lang dito, walang mga makakaano. Kailangan ko lang tulong niyo, sir.
Signor Angelo Minisali e signor Emmanuel Samartino da Catania, e anche loro sono candidati. Dove sono? Del Sud, kampanya konsiderativo, signor Paul Baltasar, siapa Napoli, ang aming regional director. Sir, nga. Thank you. E anche una panel of consultant, Antonio Talawan, Napoli. Where's Antonio? Andiamo a Toscana, Consiglio Director Willie Ponsalan. Thank you, Pres. Kadala mo lahat ng Toscana. And Honorary Adjunti Dr. Vladimiro Barberio, Asociado Italo-Pilipina, Kunloy, Angki Kunloy, Dr. Claudio Nobler. Sila po ang nag-sponsor sa aming membership card na kung saan mamaya mapapakinabangan nyo po yan dahil lahat, hindi na po punti-punti binibigay namin kung license incentives. Dottore Grifone, dove sei? Grazie per essere venuto. Tutti i consiglieri del Piemonte, Mr. Mario Pedrialba. Ringrazio anche da Capilinia, Torino, Father Gian Bena. La Unione Abruzzese, Moana Cyril Caras, il più generoso premiato ma non soltanto con OFW Awards, ma anche il premiato del Manigram, imprenditore dell'anno, il chef di Pescara, Chef Nestor Malabanan. Thank you, sir. And, of course, I would like most of all to thank La Señora Evelyn Revilla. Thank you, Madam. Yes. And, of course, La Señora Tess Malco of Program Head Committee. Sampo si Tess. Thank you, Tess. Nards Alcantara, el director del programa. Señora Chona Briggs. Siya po ang sabihin nyo sa table arrangement kanina. And soprattutto, our media, che ha voluto viaggiare lontano, il TV 2000, la signora Alice Andrea. Dove sta il TV 2000? Di Vatican. Jamie 7, anak ko'y Pilipino, Pia Gonzales. DCR Extreme Radio TV Pilipini, Pili TV. Grazie di tutto. Che avete dare la mano a questa premiazione inizia oggi. Ladies and gentlemen, enjoy and congratulations to all.
Well, thank you, Mr. La Chica.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. La Chica.
Ayan, alam mo naman Mr. La Chica, gullible ako na paniwala mo kung 10 pages ang sasabihin mo. Pero kung gaano mo man na-summarize ang in-speech mo today, maraming salamat po and congratulations.
Before we proceed, meron tayo lamang isang PowerPoint presentation na inihanda po para sa ating lahat ng Featherfield.
Of course, objective dedicated to all Filipino overseas workers and migrants in Italy to uplift their morale and honor them for their outstanding dedication, recognition, and commitment in public service and their families left in the Philippines, including their Italian and non-Italian employers.
Categories of different awards. Individual awards category. So it's 5 outstanding caregivers and or medical staff services.
5 outstanding household managers and or hotel and restaurant workers and other services.
5 outstanding leaders in civic and religious, Catholics and non-Catholics.
Of course, we have 5 outstanding youth star leaders, Catholic and non-Catholics, also in academic standing.
Also, we have 5 outstanding Filipino or Filipina senior citizen in Italy.
Of course, we have 5 outstanding employers, Italian and non-Italian or any foreign employers.
5 more outstanding Filipino entrepreneurs in Italy.
5 outstanding Philippine government and private employees in Italy.
And last but not the least, 5 outstanding Italian government and private employees in Italy.
And still we have 5 outstanding civic organization, Catholics and non-Catholics.
And 5 outstanding religious group, Catholics and non-Catholics.
Search for of outstanding Filipino workers in Italy, OFW Awards 2016. The search for the outstanding Filipino workers in Italy, OFW Awards in various categories shall be open to all Filipino migrant workers in Italy, and in some categories also open to Italians and foreigners nationwide, in accordance with established mechanics in specific categories.
Another general rule and guideline, procedural guidelines for the selection of nominees and awardees. Step 1, the committee or panel of consultants who will be selected and appointed by the Board of Directors and by the executive body can be non-Federfield Italy members or coming from Honorary Council of Federfield Italy members. Shall review all nominations to pre-qualify and verify for the strict compliance of required documentations and evidences.
Dito na lang muna.
We have the committee shall evaluate all nominations according to their pertinent merits in each category of the awards and prepare short lists of qualified nominees based on the established rating system and approved mechanics.
Step 3, after the pre-qualification and short listings of the nominees, their names shall be published in the official Facebook page of the Federation of Filipino Communities and Associations in Italy, the official page, for the purpose of soliciting comments, opinions, vouching of nominees' character and reputation from the public. Example, that the candidate has no bad record from the Philippine Embassy, police, and in any Italian authorities or territory.
And of course, the committee shall conduct a final review and decision concurred by the Board of Directors and Executive Body and become final after thorough and objective deliberation. They will arrive at the final selection of the awardees in accordance and strict adherence to the agreed mechanics and rating procedures.
Kakain muna ako. Gutom na ako eh.
Alright, that is the general rules and guidelines and procedural guidelines for the selections of nominees and awardees. Pagkatapos rise na ng pakinggan na si Mr. Chica, it's time for us to be entertained by the Pinoy Teen Salin Lahi from Rome. Ladies and gentlemen, the Pinoy Teen Salin Lahi of Roma.
Thank you so much, Pinoy Teen Salin Lahi. Spiego brevemente il ballo che abbiamo appena assistito ai nostri ospiti italiani. Questo ballo si chiama Sinkil o Sayao Saka Sinkil. È una famosa danza culturale delle persone Maranao del lago Lanao, eseguita durante feste e altre manifestazioni nelle Filippine. Questa danza al femminile serve sia come pubblicità conscia o inconscia per aspiranti pretendenti o corteggiatori per il suo futuro matrimonio.
Brava Raizel, sumisimbolo ng katapangan at kagitingan ng mga Pilipino.
Exactly.